Brilliant. Let's go to this question. A, B, C, D be positive integers such as A plus B plus C plus D. That's 2023. A is to B is 2 is to 5. So 2K plus 5K. C is to D is 5 is to 2 plus 5M plus 2M is 2023. Or 7K plus 7M is 2023. K plus M is 2023 by 7. This very question is telling me that 2023 is a multiple of 7 with A, B, C, D are positive integers. So 2023 divided by 7 I need to do. If I have a calculator, I'm very happy. I don't have one. I will still be happy. K plus M is 289. Brilliant. Then the maximum possible value of A plus C is very interesting. A plus C, 2K plus 5M maximum. What is this equal to? K plus M is 289. 2K plus 5M. And so if I increase K, M will decrease. If I increase M, K will decrease. I want this to be maximum. When will this be maximum? If you pause and think about it, M has the larger coefficient, 5M. K is only 2K. It will be large and M is very large. And so when will that happen? M has to be as high as possible. Sacrifice K, double down on M. Best combination, put K as 1, M is 288. Okay, done. True. So the maximum possible value is 2 into 1 plus 5 into 288. 5 into 288 is 1440 plus 2, just 1442. Logically, if you think about it, K and M, K plus M is the constant. Higher K is, lower M will be. I want to maximize 2K plus 5M. M has the higher coefficient. If you take a value from K and put it into M, my 2K plus 5M will increase. If I take one more from K and put it into M, it will increase further. So I want it to be as high as possible. Quite simply, make M as high as possible, 288. K cannot be 0 because we are dealing with positive integers. K cannot be negative or 0. Minimum value K can take as 1, then we are through.